Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to see some of the remaining activities related to the poem Song of the Open Road Part 3. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's begin. Activity number A5 1. With the help of the following points, write a poetic appreciation of the poem Song of the Open Road. And the points are given 1. About the poem or poet and the title. Next, the theme. Next, poetic style. Next point is the language or poetic devices used in the poem. Next point, special features. Next point is message, values, morals in the poem. And last one is your opinion about the poem. So this activity is very important. Let's see the answer of this activity. An appreciation. Song of the Open Road. First of all, about the poem and poet and the title. Walt Whitman, a renowned American poet, wrote Song of the Open Road. It is a famous narrative poem about life lessons, observations, and joy. It was first published on July 4, 1855. The poem speaks about the freedom the speaker feels on his journey. It also illustrates how this journey fills his heart with immense pleasure. Though the poem was written in the mid 19th century, it is very much applicable today. The readers would feel motivated and encouraged to enjoy nature, traveling, to be bold and courageous. The poem covers every aspect of human life and offers a solution as well. Next point we can explain like this. The theme. Freedom, joy, and optimism are the major themes of this poem. Throughout the poem, the poet encourages the readers to be true to themselves and live a free life. Although his life is not free from obligation and troubles, he encourages everyone to live their dreams, leaving the obstacles behind. His journey from the community to the natural world makes him understand the true philosophies, realities, and hidden secrets of the world. He understands that the key to happiness is to be true to his ideals, his soul, and his intelligence. Therefore, the poem establishes the idea that the earth offers us multiple chances to fulfill our dreams with the right amount of motivation and determination. Next point we can expand like this. Poetic style, the language, poetic devices which are used in the poem, and these are Whitman separates his poem into 4 separate stanzas, with the exception of the first stanza, which contains only 3 lines. The other stanzas contain 4 lines of verse. The poem utilizes free verse. The lines are unrhymed and of varying lengths. Song of the Open Road is told from a first person point of view, and the speaker, perhaps Whitman, knows himself very well. The poet mainly used figures of speech like metaphor, alliteration, repetition, paradox, etc. Next point, special features we can explain like this. The poem is written in very simple and effective language, which is easy to understand. As it is written in a free verse, there is no rhyme scheme and meter. In the last stanzas, poet uses parenth- parentheses to separate himself from the worldly needs. Phrases like light-hearted, querulous criticisms are interesting. Imageries such as constellations and brown color are noteworthy. Next point, message or value, moral in the poem. It teaches us to be optimistic and happy. We have everything, including freedom and opportunities. It encourages us to enjoy the life in healthy and free world. It motivates us to fill our heart with immense pleasure. Next point is like this, your opinion about the poem. I think this poem is a motivational which tells us to live our life through our own way. One more thing like in this poem that I like in this poem that we should respect our mother earth which gives us more than our need. Life is a journey which we live freely and with a nature. Let's see. Next activity number 2. Write 4 to 6 lines of free verse on the topic the road that leads to my college. Express that it is the road to knowledge and bright future. You may begin like this. Every day I trade with the bag of books. फ्रेंड्स ये जो एक्टिविटीज़ है इस पर हमें एक पोएटिक लाइंस फ्री वर्ड्स पोएटिक लाइन देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी राइम वर्ड्स नॉट नेसेसरी द रोड दैट लीड्स टू माई कॉलेज इस टॉपिक पर हमें कुछ पंक्तियाँ यहाँ लाइंस हमें लिखना है. द रोड दैट लीड्स टू माई कॉलेज का मतलब होता है जो रास्ता मुझे कॉलेज की ओर लेके जाता है. अभी इसमें हम कौन से हमारे फीलिंग्स इसमें हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. नॉलेज, ब्राइट फ्यूचर, लाइक दिस. यहाँ कुछ मैंने लाइंस लिखी है इस तरह से. यू हैव टू राइट यूर सेल्फ. एवरी डे आई ट्रेड यानी चलना. एवरी डे आई ट्रेड विद द बैग ऑफ बुक्स टूवर्ड्स माई कॉलेज. इट इज़ अ टेम्पल ऑफ नॉलेज. आई एम द डिवोटी ऑफ माई कॉलेज. It is a place which will mold my life. There I will get insight of my life. Let's see the next activity. Number 3. Write a blog on the following topic. Is man is free by birth. इस टॉपिक पर ब्लॉग लिखना. आजकल ब्लॉगिंग बच्चे करते हैं तो ब्लॉग रिटर्न में लिखना है. देखिए किस तरह से. मैन इज़ फ्री बाय बर्थ. जन्म से ही जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स होता है वो फ्री होता है. इस पर यहाँ एक नेट से मैंने लिया है ब्लॉग. देखिए इसका आंसर. व्हेन अ मैन टेक्स बर्थ ही इज़ एन इनोसेंट बीइंग with no duties and responsibilities. He is pure and innocent as a child of God. But then he is a social being on son or daughter of someone with a host of relatives and indebted to his parents and society at large for being given an identity. But a man is found in chains is a fact which is difficult to challenge. The truth of his bondage is reflected at various levels. First is the biological bondage of his various phases in life: birth, teenage, youth, maturity, old age, and finally death. There are some other chains where the man is caught in present scenario like social and political chain. In social chain, you may see the evils or the cruel acts against women or the weaker section of the society. Illiteracy, unemployment, these are all the social evils where the man is caught today. In politics, We have the exploitation of the masses by the handful of dictators who have curbed the man's right of expression and speech. We talk about fundamental rights and human rights, they are merely theoretical concepts in today's scenario. Therefore, man is neither born free nor lives in freedom. So, friends, in this way, you have to write और एक्सप्रेस योर ओन व्यूज़. आपको अपने विचार व्यूज़ यहाँ पर खुद लिखने हैं. दिस इज जस्ट एग्जाम्पल हाउ टू राइट on any blog on any topic. Activity is expand the ideas suggested in the following lines. Expand the idea ये भी writing skill से related है. A, all road leads to Rome एक प्रोवर्ब है और इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन यहाँ मैंने दिया है. अभी मैंने रीडिंग नहीं करूँगा. यू हैव टू रीड योर सेल्फ. इट इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन गूगल and you have to write yourself. Okay, try to understand, read and try to understand yourself. Next topic is a without liberty is a body without soul. This is also very interesting topic. Now I shall read it. It is quite true, liberty is an essential as air with breath. If you have liberty, you can create anything. But if you don't have it, life appears hard struggle. If a man has all the luxuries but no liberty, those luxuries can't make him happy. On the contrary, if he has less luxuries but complete liberty, he will be happy. Liberty is life. Without liberty, life is worse than hell. Life is all about man attaining liberty. In the past, man lived in a various types of slaveries. In the Stone Age, he strove to achieve liberty, ignorance. He learned to make fire, shelters, clothes, etc. Then, with the formation of human societies, various ills such as discrimination on the basis of caste, color, creed, and financial status arose. Then men fought for political, social, and financial liberty. Still, many challenges such as fatal disease, pollution, advancement of science and technology stand as unconquerable mountains in front of him. Man must work harder to be free of all types of bondages. Only then he can say he is truly free. He is busy making strategies to overcome them. Liberty is essential for man's happiness. Without it, man's life is meaningless. And last activity is A61. Take help from source available on internet and make a list of proverbs and quotations about road. So road से रिलेटेड हमें कुछ प्रोवर्ब या कोटेशंस इंटरनेट से सर्च करके यहाँ लिखना है. यहाँ जो भी आपको प्रोवर्ब्स मैंने आंसर में दिया है, ऑल दिस प्रोवर्ब्स एंड quotations are available. So many proverbs and quotations available on Google internet. You can but you have to read it carefully. ये proverb क्या कहता है ये आपको रीडिंग करना है, सिर्फ इसका मीनिंग भी समझ लेना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वन मोर. यहाँ पर द रोड नॉट टेकन बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रोस्ट द्वारा लिखी गई जो पोएम है वो आपको रीडिंग करना है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो टेकन फ्रॉम गूगल. सो दीज आर पर्सनल एक्टिविटीज़, ये आपको रीड करना है. सो फ्रेंड्स, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, write in comment box. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much.